Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is Vlogmas day 20, and before we open up today's yarn, which is sitting over here, we've been doing some newsletters this week, trying to get all the different missionaries newsletters in. So I will stick some footage in of Dave and I working on the latest one. I got some Christmas cookies baked. I have held off doing it because of the panini and the contagious stuff. So now that I'm not contagious anymore, I decided it was safe to make cookies because who wants COVID cookies? Not good. Yes, we don't want to give people the gift that keeps on giving. So anyway, yes, so we have held off making them. So I got some sugar cookies made today and I got some oatmeal cookies made today. I don't do fancy Christmas cookies. I do the type everybody likes to eat at our house. So yeah, so I got those done. And yes, so now I have a funny story to tell you, but I will open the yarn for today and then I will tell you the story. So today's lighthouse is still up in the area of Friesland. And no, yes, Friesland. And it is number 20, which is called Terschelling, and Yoka has a note next to it. It says, this lighthouse of Terschelling is the oldest. It was built in 1594. Can you imagine? I think the oldest lighthouse in the US is the Portland Headlight, and it was built in 1791. That's the oldest one in the US that I know of. So this one is another one up in that arpeggio of islands right here. And there's her note about that lighthouse. So that's the Terschelling. And let's take a look at what the yarn looks like today. So here is number 20, and here is what the lighthouse looks like. I would have expected it to look different since it's an older lighthouse. But it is another one of the square ones that to me looks like an airport tower. So that is the lighthouse at Terschelling, and here's the material for today. Now let's take a look at the yarn. Oh, this one's really pretty. Oh, and it has a cute little progress keeper. So let me show you the yarn first. So here is the yarn. Look at those pretty colors, all those pretty pastels. And the yarn is Relana Garn Flat Sock, and the color is Samba. And it is 25% wool, 25% polyamide, and the color is 1290. So yeah, it's beautiful, but look at the cute little progress keeper she included with it. It's in her national colors of the red, white, and blue, but it's little buttons. It's little buttons in jump rings. How cute is that? So yeah, oh, I like that. I really like this buttons. That is adorable. So I never would have thought about doing that. That is just so cute. Thank you, Yoka. So my funny story, for the last couple weeks, we have noticed the lights blinking off for just a couple seconds and then coming back on. And we've lived in this house for 13 years, never had that problem. And so apparently it's not just us. I mean, it would blink off long enough to like throw all the clocks off that were electric in the house. So I'd have to run around, and Dave would have to run around resetting the clock in the bedroom, and I'd have to reset the microwave and reset the stove clock, and anything else that was electric had to be reset every time this happened. And it's been happening, you know, like a couple times a week. And we were like, what in the world is going on? Well, there was an email sent out by our HOA, which is our homeowners association today. And they said, in case you've wondered what is going on with the lights blinking, the problem is squirrels. Yes, you heard that right, squirrels, okay? Here's where it gets funny. There's a power station just down the road a little bit, you know, a substation where all the transformers and stuff are for the electrical stuff. It's just down the road and around the corner a little ways. Well, apparently it's being attacked by squirrels, and the squirrels keep getting zapped, and every time our electricity is blinking off and on, there is another squirrel being extinguished. Yeah, so anyway, I was like, squirrel pie, anybody? You know, yeah, so we've got squirrels, apparently, which is funny. Like I said, we've lived here 13 years. The squirrels have never attacked the transformer plant before, but apparently they are now, and they are getting zapped by the electricity. So yes, every time the lights blink, another squirrel has bitten the dust. Yes. Yeah, you gotta love it. We had squirrel. We don't have. It's funny thing is I don't think I've ever seen a squirrel in our neighborhood in the 13 years we've lived here. But apparently they live down around the corner. They don't live here. I've never seen a squirrel or a chipmunk where we live. Yeah, now where we used to live, we had lots of squirrels. We had lots of chipmunks. They would block up all of our drainage things. They actually got into my car engine. The chipmunks did, not the squirrels. The chipmunks got in and chewed up my the electrical manifold inside the motor, and it actually blew the computer inside the car, shorted the whole thing out. Yes, so apparently they are now wreaking havoc on the local power plant. So that's what's going on. It's kind of crazy. So with that, I do have some footage of me making cookies, and you'll see how homemade cookies I make. Those of you who have watched my channel for a while, you know that cooking is not my favorite thing. So yes, you'll see my homemade cookies. Yeah. That is it for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure you come back tomorrow. And yeah, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's the 21st, Tuesday. Yes, so come back Tuesday. And if you have not already entered day 15 for the giveaway for yarn, Yes, go over to day 15 and make sure you watch that so you know the instructions to enter for the giveaway for that. That will be announced on Wednesday the 23rd. So that's it for today. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye everybody.